Welcome to the English Journey. Today, Nick and Rose are in a new city and one wrong turn makes them lost. They need to ask a local person for directions, understand the answer, and find the market before they get more confused. Listen for the story first. You do not need to understand every word. Just relax and follow the conversation. It is a bright morning, and Nick and Rose leave their hotel after breakfast. They want to visit a famous city market, but they have never been there before. They think the walk will be easy, but one small mistake will change their plan. The weather is perfect for walking today.
Yes, and the market is not too far from the hotel.
The map says it should take about 20 minutes on foot.
That sounds easy enough, but we still need to follow the directions carefully.
Don't worry, I looked at the map for at least 10 seconds.
10 seconds doesn't make me feel very confident.
It was a very focused 10 seconds.
I appreciate your confidence, but let's check the map again before we walk too far.
Good idea. The map says we should go straight along this street.
Then we turn left near the library, right?
I think so. The library should be after 2 blocks.
Good. Let's remember that. Go straight, then turn left near the library.
That sounds simple. I like simple directions.
Simple directions are only useful if we follow them correctly.
That sounds like a warning from experience.
It is. You once followed a cafe sign and forgot where we were going.
That cafe had very persuasive coffee pictures.
Today, please follow the map, not the coffee pictures.
I'll try my best. The market is our mission.
Good. Let's start walking before the morning gets too hot.
Nick and Rose begin walking along the street, feeling relaxed and confident. At first, the directions seem clear, and the city feels easy to explore. Nick and Rose walk past small shops, cafes, and people waiting near a bus stop. The street is busy, but it feels friendly and full of morning energy. The street is nice. There's so many little shops here.
Yes, and that bakery smells amazing.
I knew the city would test me with breakfast smells.
We already had breakfast at the hotel.
I know, but my nose has a different opinion.
Your nose doesn't get to choose the plan today.
Fair enough. The market is still the mission.
Good. We should be close to the library soon.
I see a large building over there. Maybe that's the library.
Are you sure? It looks more like a museum.
It's big steps and serious windows. That feels like a library.
A building can have serious windows and still be a museum.
That's a surprisingly strong argument.
Let's check the sign before we turn.
The sign says City History Museum.
So it's not the library.
You were right. The windows were serious but not educational enough.
Museums are educational too, but they're not our turning point.
Good point. We should keep walking straight.
Yes, the library should be farther ahead.
I'm glad we checked before turning.
Me too. Checking signs saves time.
It also saves personal pride, but only if you check early enough.
You still have some pride left.
Thank you. I'll protect it carefully. Nick and Rose continue walking, but the street begins to look less familiar. They still feel calm, but they are starting to pay more attention to the signs. After several more minutes, Nick stops walking and looks at the map on his phone. Rose notices that they have passed many shops, but they still have not seen the library.
We've been walking for a while, and I still don't see the library.
That's strange. The map says it should be around here.
Are you sure we're still on the right street?
I thought we were, but now the blue dot looks confused.
The blue dot is probably fine. We might be the confused ones.
That sounds possible, but also a little painful.
Let me see the map for a moment.
Here you go. Please speak kindly to the blue dot.
I think we missed the left turn 2 streets ago.
2 streets ago? That sounds like a serious walking mistake.
Not serious, but we're definitely not going toward the market now.
So we're not exploring, we're lost with confidence.
Yes, that's a good description of the situation.
I blame the museum with serious windows.
The museum did nothing wrong.
You're right, the museum was innocent.
We need to decide what to do next.
We can turn around and walk back 2 streets.
We can, but maybe there's a faster way from here.
The map shows many small streets. I don't want to make it worse.
Then we should ask someone for directions.
That's a good idea. Asking is better than walking in circles.
Exactly. There's a person standing near the flower shop.
They look friendly. Should we ask them?
Yes, but let's ask politely and keep the question simple.
Good plan. I can say, "Excuse me, could you help us?"
Perfect. Then we can ask how to get to the market.
I'm ready. I'll use my calm traveler voice.
Good. Calm traveler voice sounds better than lost panic voice.
Nick and Rose walk toward a local person standing near the flower shop. They are a little lost now, but they know how to ask for help politely. Nick and Rose stop near the flower shop and speak to a local person. They want to ask for directions clearly and understand the answer carefully. Excuse me, could you help us, please? Of course. What are you looking for?
We're trying to find the Central Market.
We thought it was nearby, but I think we took the wrong turn. No problem. The Central Market is not too far from here.
That's good to hear. How can we get there from here?
Go straight for 1 block, then turn right at the traffic lights. Go straight for 1 block, then turn right at the traffic lights.
Sorry, just to check, we go straight first, then turn right at the traffic lights?
Yes, exactly. Then walk past the library, and the market is across from it.
So the library is still on the way?
Yes, the market is across from the library. Across from the library. That's very helpful. You will see a big red sign near the entrance.
A big red sign near the entrance. Great.
How long does it take to walk there? It should take about 10 minutes from here.
That's not too bad. Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you. We really appreciate your help. You are welcome. Enjoy the market. That was much easier than arguing with the map.
Yes, and repeating the directions helped too.
Let's check that we remember everything.
Go straight for 1 block, turn right at the traffic lights, walk past the library, and the market is across from the library.
Perfect. Those directions sound very clear.
The big red sign will also help us.
I like signs. Signs are patient teachers.
Signs are useful, but you still have to read them.
That's a very fair reminder. Nick and Rose thank the local person again and start walking in the correct direction. They feel more confident now because the directions are simple and clear. Nick and Rose follow the directions and walk straight for 1 block. They reach the traffic lights and stop to check the next step carefully. Here are the traffic lights. We need to turn right here.
Yes, that matches the directions.
I feel much better when real streets match spoken directions.
Me too. It means we understood correctly.
Let's turn right and look for the library.
Good. The local person said the market is across from the library.
I see another large building ahead.
Please don't guess only from the windows again.
I learned from that mistake. This time I'll read the sign first.
Excellent. That's real progress for today.
The sign says City Library.
Great. This is the correct building.
The library has serious windows and the correct sign.
That's the best combination for today.
Now we need to find the market across from the library.
I can see a red sign on the other side of the street.
Is that the big red sign?
I think so. It says Central Market.
We found it. We're no longer lost.
Wait, we still need to cross the street safely.
Good point. Celebration should happen after safe crossing.
Exactly. Let's wait for the walking signal.
The road is busy, so waiting is a smart idea.
Yes, especially in a new city.
The walking signal is green now.
Let's cross carefully and stay together.
Nick and Rose cross the street and walk toward the red market sign. They followed the directions correctly, and the market entrance is now right in front of them. Nick and Rose stand outside the Central Market and look at the busy entrance. They feel relieved because they found the place after getting lost for a short time. We made it. The market is right here.
Yes, and it only took 1 wrong turn, 1 map problem, and 1 helpful person.
That sounds like a successful travel adventure.
It was successful because we asked for help.
True. Without help, we might still be walking confidently in the wrong direction.
Confidently wrong is still wrong.
That's another painful but useful sentence.
Today gave us many useful direction phrases.
Go straight, turn right, traffic lights across from and not too far.
Also, could you help us, please?
That one is very important. It makes asking sound polite.
Yes, polite questions make people more willing to help.
I also liked repeating the directions to check understanding.
That's useful in real life. It helps avoid mistakes.
So if someone gives directions, we can repeat the main points.
Exactly. It shows we listened and helps us remember.
I should do that more often, especially when maps make me nervous.
Maps don't make you nervous. Your confidence makes the map nervous.
That's a strong accusation against my travel personality.
It's only a friendly observation.
I'll accept it because we found the market.
Good. Now we can enjoy the market and stop thinking about being lost.
I like that plan. What should we look for first?
Maybe fresh fruit, local snacks, and a place to sit for a few minutes.
Local snacks sound like a reward for our direction skills.
A small reward is fair after a small adventure.
Great. Let's go inside and explore carefully. Nick and Rose walk into the market, smiling and feeling proud of themselves. Getting lost was not fun at first, but it helped them practice useful English in a real situation. Inside the market, Nick and Rose walk slowly past fruit stalls, bread shops, and small cafes. The market is colorful and busy, but now they feel relaxed and happy. This place was worth finding.
I agree. It feels lively, but not too overwhelming.
I can smell bread, coffee, fruit, and something fried.
That's a very detailed smell report.
My nose works hard when food is nearby.
I know. It's been giving travel advice all morning.
At least this time, we reached the correct place first.
True. Now we can follow your nose for a short time.
That's very generous. I promise to use this power carefully.
Please use it to find a snack, not another wrong turn.
I see a fruit stall over there. The strawberries look fresh.
They do look good. We can buy a small box.
That sounds nice. A small box is easy to carry?
After that, maybe we can sit at the cafe near the entrance.
Good idea. Sitting down feels like a reward too.
Today reminds me that travel doesn't need to be perfect,
Yes, small problems can become good stories later.
especially when we stay calm and speak kindly.
And when we ask for directions before walking too far.
That's the biggest lesson from today.
I'll remember it for at least the rest of this trip.
That's a realistic promise for today.
I'm trying to be honest and achievable.
That's a good travel attitude.
Nick and Rose buy a small box of strawberries and find a quiet cafe table. They sit down, rest their feet, and enjoy the market they worked so hard to find. Nick and Rose have found the central market, and their city direction story is complete. In this video, you listen to useful English for getting lost, checking a map, asking for directions, following street signs, crossing the road, and finding a place in a new city. These simple direction phrases can help you understand real English conversations when you travel. You do not need to remember every sentence after one listen. Listen again when you have time, and the words will slowly become more familiar. The first time, try to understand the story. The second time, listen for direction phrases like go straight, turn right, traffic lights, and across from. The third time, repeat some short sentences out loud. Small listening practice every day can help your English grow naturally. Thank you for listening to the English Journey. Keep going, keep listening, and enjoy your English journey.